To save private keys on a Tangem card, start by understanding what a Tangem card is. A Tangem card is a physical device that stores cryptocurrency private keys securely. Before you begin, ensure you have a Tangem card and a computer or mobile device with the Tangem app installed. First, launch the Tangem app on your device and create an account if you have not already done so. The app will guide you through the process of setting up your Tangem card, including verifying your identity and creating a PIN. Next, navigate to the Wallet section of the app, where you can view and manage your cryptocurrencies. To save a private key, select the cryptocurrency you want to add to your Tangem card and click on the Add Wallet option. The app will then prompt you to insert your Tangem card into the card reader connected to your device. Once your card is recognized, the app will ask you to confirm the addition of the new wallet. Confirm the action and the app will generate a new private key and save it to your Tangem card. You can then use your Tangem card to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. It is essential to note that your Tangem card is a physical device, and as such, you should handle it with care. Always keep your Tangem card in a safe place, such as a wallet or a secure container, to protect it from damage or loss. Additionally, never share your PIN or allow anyone else to access your Tangem card, as this could compromise the security of your private keys. In terms of best practices, make sure to regularly back up your Tangem card and store the backup in a secure location. This will ensure that you can recover your private keys in case your Tangem card is lost, damaged, or stolen. Furthermore, always verify the authenticity of the Tangem app and card reader before using them to protect yourself from potential scams or phishing attacks. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely save your private keys on a Tangem card and enjoy the benefits of secure cryptocurrency storage. Remember to always prioritize the security of your private keys and handle your Tangem card with care to ensure the safe storage of your cryptocurrencies.